In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you language divergence. What is language divergence? What are the factors of language divergence? And also some examples of language divergence. Listeners and audience, language divergence means when a language splits into two or more languages with the passage of time. It happens when groups of people, when they speak a language in different ways. So much so that the differences, they become bigger and bigger. And then with the passage of time, they have new languages with new words, vocabulary, and even the scripts. Listeners and audience, a question arises: why it happens? Why is it so? Answer to this question is it happens due to geographical, social, and cultural features and cultural factors. Geographically mean when regionally or geographically the people, they are having distances. They are living separate from each other. And another region people, they are also living separate from another geographical area, though they have the same languages at the beginning. The same language at the beginning, at the initial stage, but with the passage of time, due to huge distances among them, new language or languages emerged. So due to social factors, cultural factors, and geographical factors. Listeners and audience, take the example of Hindustani language. The emergence of Hindustani languages took place almost from 7th century till 13th century. So both languages, Urdu and Hindi languages, emerged from Hindustani language. Urdu language emerged as a distinct language in 18th century and was influenced by Arabic, Persian, and Turkish language. On the other hand, Hindi language was emerged from Hindustani language in 19th century, and it was also influenced by Sanskrit and Persian language. Remember that the transcript of Urdu language is Nastaliq. Nastaliq means it is written from right to left. And whenever we are talking about Hindustani language, so the transcript of, Hindi language, the transcript is, which kind of transcript it has? It has Devanagari or Devanagari transcript. What does it mean? It means it is written from left to right. So hope that now you know about what is meant by language divergence. Thank you.